Okay, this is a 98 Impreza Outback station wagon, and we're going to remove the left front fender. What I'm going to do here is turn the wheel so I can get to these 8mm bolts on the mud flap. Also, while you're in here, you have a 10mm bolt here and here that need to be removed. And you got some top 10mm bolts, all 10mm. You got another one right here. One more. And another one there. And it doesn't want to come out because there's dirt all inside of it. Just stick a little pick in there. And you got a wire here for this. There's your fender. Easy peasy. And if you need a fender, give us a call at SPV Parts.